Hello, this is Gabriel from Braver Technology Solutions. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to create a custom email signature in Microsoft Outlook. To create a signature, click on New Email. Once a new email page is open, click on the Signatures tab at the top of the page. Then select the second option, Signatures. A new window will appear. In this window, click the button that says New. A box will pop up, prompting you to name your new signature. Once you have created a name for your signature, click OK. You will now be able to edit the text of your new signature. We recommend including your name, title, and contact information. Once you are done, click OK. Now you are all set with your signature for Outlook. If you have any more questions about Outlook for your business, please contact us. We are always happy to help.